I apologize if this is getting a bit repetitive, but another horseshoe flower today. Actually, it's going to be a combination of horseshoes and railroad spikes, making a different flower today. Just trying to get some decorations on the wall behind our garden. And I'm still waiting on parts for the mini bike, so that project is on hold. So anyway, let's get started. I've selected what I think is a fairly good set of horseshoes for this project. I have, and since these are just crude used horseshoes, they all have literally crap stuck in them, so I have to clean that out, kind of wire brush them a little bit, pick it out. Some of them have nails still in there that I have to cut off from the back. And then I've got a set of fairly straight railroad spikes. I don't know if I'll be able to see it very clearly, but the basic idea is we do an arrangement of spike horseshoe, spike horseshoe, spike horseshoe. So we'll end up with a fairly large flower. Railroad spike flower, railroad spike flower. And it'll take a little time to get it arranged. And I'm thinking I might use this as a center. That was my wife's suggestion, so we'll see how that turns out. It's going to be a fairly big flower, so that might work fairly well. Let's see what we can do here. First step, I got to get those tabs cut off of the horseshoes. First step, I have to cut the tabs and the nails off. So, cleaning up some weld surfaces. Oh, again, trying to weld these upside down. Slide it all down this way. Rinse and repeat. Alright. That's tacked together. Gotta finish welding here. Now comes the tricky part. How do I attach that? First I gotta clean it up. I was just tapping off the worst of the BBs there that are going to be visible anyway. It's all about that side. Up, turn it. Alright. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, tips, comments about you like it, you don't, please leave a comment below. And if you like what I'm doing here, think about subscribing. Thanks. Have a good one.